How to produce professional grade enamel marine boat paint. Have you ever wondered what makes marine boat paint withstand the harshest environment? Salt water, UV rays, and constant wear. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional grade enamel marine boat paint that guarantee ultimate durability and beauty for your vessel. Hi, I am Coach Gleaner and welcome back to Gleaner Artistic. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through an advanced method for producing 5 liters of white enamel marine boat paint. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a prime product that rivals any commercial paint in quality. Let's begin by introducing the chemicals and materials needed for this advanced formula. 1. Long oil modify, acid resin 2.6 liters. This chemical provides durability and flexibility. 2. Titanium dioxide 600 gram. This chemical enhances brightness and opacity. 3. Zinc sulfate 200 gram. This chemical protects against corrosion. 4. Calcium carbonate 300 gram. Calcium carbonate improves adhesion and reduces the glossiness. 5. Talac 100 gram. Talac reinforces water resistance. 6. Solvent, which are xylene 0.5 liters and mineral spirit 0.5 liters for viscosity adjustment. 7. Additives. Under the additives, we have 1. Flow agent 8 ml, UV absorber 10 gram, anti-settling agent 10 gram, sealing copaline agent 5 ml, microcrystalline wax 15 gram, anti-skinner 5 ml, cobalt and zirconia dryers 10 ml. Before we start, safety is key. Always walk in a well-ventilated area and wear your gloves, goggles, and masks to protect yourself from foams and chemicals. First, we'll create the pigment paste by combining 600 gram of titanium dioxide, 300 gram of calcium carbonate, 200 gram of zinc sulfate, and 100 gram of talc in a clean container. Then slowly add 0.6 liters of acid resin and mix at high speed until smooth and lump free. Next, add 0.5 liters of xylene to reduce viscosity and ensure smooth mixing. Now enhance the paint performance with the following additives: 8 ml of flow agent for smooth leavening, 10 gram of UV absorber for sunlight protection, 10 gram of anti-settling agent to prevent pigment clumping, and 5 ml of saline copaline agent for better adhesion. Gradually add the remaining 2 liters of acrylic resin followed by 0.5 liters of mineral spirit. Stir until you achieve a smooth consistency. Test the viscosity with a third cup for optimal application. Finally, add 10 ml each of cobalt and zirconium dryers to speed up the drying process and 5 ml of anti-skinner to eliminate skinning during storage. To ensure a smooth finish, fill in the paint through a fine mesh, then pour it into a clean, airtight container for storage. Don't forget to label them. Here is a quick test to show the coverage and finish. Make sure to clean and prime your surface before painting for the best adhesion. Apply in thin, even coat and allow 6 to 8 hours between layers. maximum at least. With this advanced formulation, you'll get superior durability, weather resistance, and a flawless finish. Whether you are protecting a Finnish boat or a luxury yacht, this paint delivers unmatched performance. And of course, it is going to make the surfaces transform to a unique aesthetic look. Want to learn more advanced in paint production technique? Click the link below for more complete guide to professional paint manufacturing. And in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to produce durable polytenoral boat deck paint. Until then, keep creating and bye for now.